Hello there, it is Saturday, and it's time for another vlog. Hi folks, it's Saturday, so it is time for another vlog. I didn't do one yesterday on Black Friday because nothing really happened. I didn't do anything today. I didn't do anything on Friday. I pretty much relaxed. I scoured the internet for some deals. I did get a few things that I'll probably be doing short videos on. So on the agenda for today, there's a hockey game tonight. Need to get a haircut. I'm going to do that right now actually. And I also need to pick up my dry cleaning, which is not really dry cleaning. It was more fixing all my interview suit pants and then fixing my zipper on one of my jackets. So need to do all that. And then I think we're going out to Home Depot, I think, to look at Christmas trees. Probably a smaller one than what we usually get, because we're putting it in a different spot this year. So we'll do that, and that should pretty much take us through the whole day. Alrighty, hi folks, I am running to get my hair cut because I needed to have done it this week, and I just kept putting it off. And then I was going to go yesterday, and I didn't do anything yesterday, so now I need to do it today. Hopefully there is not a long wait. Usually on Saturdays it's pretty busy, but given that it's a holiday weekend and everybody's shopping and everything, who knows how busy it'll be today. But yeah, this is definitely overdue. I can feel the hair starting to grow in, and I hate it. Hi guys, so it is done, thank God. Well, that dry cleaner experience was next to none. Usually you run in and out, but in this case they had an issue with that zipper. God damn, that fucking jacket has been nothing but a pain in the ass since I got it. Hi guys, so I figured I would demonstrate the zipper thing because you guys are probably like, what the fuck is he talking about? So as you guys can see, this thing was actually on backwards, and it was also a smaller zipper. So this little head was tiny, and it was backwards, so there was no way you could pull up and down. Now what they did here, he explained that this zipper is on backwards. This whole concoction is actually on backwards, and you could probably see it if you're good into tailoring. You can see this is on backwards. This should be on the other side, because what happens is when you pull, so you see when you're pulling down, you hear that resistance. That's because this is on backwards. Now, he said they can't really replace the whole zipper because they ruined the jacket, because the zipper is actually part of this button, these buttons. So if he undoes this, it's going to undo the whole jacket and have to redo this whole construction. It costs too much money. It wouldn't be worth it. So what he did is he replaced this head with a bigger head, so at least when I pull up and down, it's not resisting as much. But over time, the zipper is going to fail, and then there's no way to fix it really. So I'll be able to wear this jacket more often now, but we'll see how long it lasts. It's time for Christmas trees, everybody. Let's get us a Christmas tree.
Está muy grande. No, yo sé que estos mismos son, pero aquí más pequeños de balsa, ¿no? Allá la entrada bien, pero está muy pequeño.
Yeah, it's cut right above the branch in the street.
Cuidado que eso chispa, sale chispa de ahí. Really? Hi there. So it's time to head off to the hockey game. And look what I got. I got a nice, toasty, warm Devils hat. Oh, this is the best purchase of the year. Coffee. Hi folks, coffee acquired. They had a long line, but this is kind of a busy hour. Today is the Christmas blend, which is what I usually get during this time of year anyway. Oh, it's good. Now I gotta figure my way out of this maze to get onto the highway to go to Devils game.
In goal, number 35, Corey Schneider. Last minute of play in the first period. Last minute of play in the third period. Last minute of play in overtime. Tonight's 3 stars of the game, as chosen by members of tonight's attended media. Tonight's third star, from Buffalo, number 1, DevilsFan Channel. Tonight's second star, From the Devils, with the game-winning goal, number 18, Steve Bernier. And tonight's first star, from the Devils, number 35, Corey Schneider.
I'm going to end the vlog for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed the recap, and as always, like, share, comment, tell a friend, and I'll see you guys next time.